Hi everyone. I wanted to give you a quick overview of the TrueFruit Grade product, which has been designed to help you size, grade, and forecast your fruit through to the end of the season. This data is vital for production decisions, trying to drive that optimal fruit size and quality at the end of the season, harvest decisions, as well as providing early forecasts of size and quality through to the sales team. In terms of how it works, the data collection is extremely easy and scalable across the organization by simply taking photographs of the fruit on the trees. Our AI algorithms then do the rest, identifying each fruit, sizing it, determining its color, as well as analyzing the external quality of the fruit for different blemishes. This is all done without any reference objects or color cards out in the field. Going back to the platform, we then see how the size of that fruit develops through the season at each time when the data is collected. And we can see the growth of the fruit in red this season versus other previous seasons. And you can see this season tracking a little bit behind previous seasons. We also get a forecast of the fruit through to a harvest point and deliver the size results in the harvest categories. Going across to the grade overview table, we then see not just the average size of the fruit, but also the peak color and the blemish rating of that fruit, and we can see how that develops throughout the season. Clicking on an individual block, we then can deep dive the data, and we get a size structure of the fruit, a blemish rating structure, as well as a color distribution of the fruit. We can click on any of these individual bars to load the data associated with that category. For example, here we see a small percentage of the fruit containing significant blemishes, but overall the block's fruit is in really good condition. Scrolling down a little bit more, I can then see where in the field, at which GPS locations this data was collected. So in terms of use cases, this data is extremely useful for harvest decisions. At the overview page here, I can rank the blocks based on size, quality, and color, and make harvest priority decisions of which blocks to pick first. Looking at the color distribution, I can then decide if the fruit aren't very uniform, I might need multiple picks. If the fruit color is very uniform, I could go in once and pick all of the fruit. Of course, this data is extremely valuable for the sales team, giving them an early estimate of the size, structure, quality, and volumes that are coming in. So if this grade product is combined with inputting the volumes from the farm, the sales team can then get a complete overview of the size structure coming in, the volumes, as well as the bins expected to be harvested by week. And that is it for a quick overview of the grade product. It is also available for other major fruit types, such as apples. This data here is showing Pink Lady, grapes, as well as other major fruit types, such as berries, cherries, etc.